a better idea. Ford, we'll tell you more about that in a moment. Today's Pittsburgh Post-Gazette, some of these stories obviously on the KDK Afternoon News with Joe DeSteel and Rose Ryan Douglas with Robert Mangino. Here you go. Federal Appeals Court refuses to reinstate the Trump travel ban. And Mr. Gorsuch, some statements made. Trump says one thing and, well, they're saying another thing. You can get details on that. And yes, here's some business news that I want to show you. This, of course, is a picture of the U.S. Steel complex, Mon Valley, Clairton. We're talking about $3 million investment money coming into Clairton to help that struggling community. Here's something that's going to help us all, $1 billion investment over the next 5 years from the Ford Motor Company into a local robotics company. Their goal in 5 years, to have a driverless car. So with Uber and Ford, these major investments, working out trying to clean up some of these brownfields, a lot of good things happening in and out of our region. We'll talk about it tomorrow on Rob Pratte Saturday beginning at 5 a.m. right after CBS Radio News. And then, of course, you've got the AccuWeather forecast. We'll see if it actually is going to warm up or this cold and snow will stick with us through the weekend. Sports beginning at 5:15. A lot of basketball, Penguins hockey, AT&T Pebble Beach Pro-Am being played this weekend out in Pebble Beach, California at Spyglass. And we'll also bring you your weekend magazine. Dr. Gennady Geskin will be with us, the Greater Pittsburgh Vascular Associates, in the 7 o'clock hour. It is Jay Obertons from Rorik Mazda in the 8 o'clock hour. We'll also start talking about the Pittsburgh International Auto Show, courtesy of the Greater Pittsburgh Automobile Dealers Association, that starts next Friday, February 17th. Dr. Ray Wisniewski, the great Dr. Ray Wisniewski, Nutrimost Pittsburgh, Nutrimost.com. He guarantees 20 pounds, and a lot of folks lose a whole lot more weight than that. 10 o'clock hour, the guys from True Value. Tracy Edwards, AAA Central, talking travel at 11 with a trip and cruise of the week. Busy Saturday as always. We hope that you get a cup of coffee and join me early at 5 a.m. on News Radio 1020 KDK. Good afternoon.